Getting your thermostat terminal screws just right can save you from annoying heat and air conditioning problems you didn't even know were caused by something so small. So, here's the thing about thermostat terminal screws. They need to be tight enough to make a solid connection, but not so tight that you strip the terminals or damage the wires. If the screws are loose, your thermostat might lose contact, causing your heating or cooling system to act up or not work at all. On the flip side, cranking those screws down too hard can strip the metal or snap wires, which means more headaches and probably a service call. The best move is to tighten the screws until they're snug. Like, firm but don't force it. Using a screwdriver with a comfortable grip helps you control the pressure better. If you're unsure, try turning the screw gently until it stops, then give it just a tiny bit more. Also, before tightening, make sure the wires are straight and properly inserted under the screw to avoid any loose connections. This simple care keeps your HVAC system running smooth without random cutouts or costly repairs. One of the biggest mistakes with thermostat wiring is not tightening those terminal screws enough, which leads to intermittent heating or cooling problems because of poor electrical contact. Another common issue is over-tightening screws, which can strip the terminals, making it impossible to secure the wires properly and forcing you to replace parts. Finally, people sometimes forget to check if wires are frayed or damaged before tightening, causing shorts or unreliable operation. Always trim and strip wires cleanly before connecting them. The fixes? For loose screws, just snug them up carefully without using too much force. If terminals are stripped, you might need to replace the thermostat or use a wire ferrule to protect the connection. And for damaged wires, cut off the bad section and strip fresh wire for a solid connection. BigHomeProjects.com makes finding trusted local contractors for your home, heating, and cooling projects super easy, so you don't have to worry about getting stuck with someone unreliable. Contractors also get a steady stream of work through the site, making it a win-win for anyone dealing with thermostat or HVAC issues.